Chester Thomas. It's Thomas.
I'm Johnny Dickens.
And welcome
Welcome to the show.
P-Thag. What's the show?
The name of the show is the Pythagorean Theorem.
In today's episode, we're gonna talk about. Can we take a break?
Let's take a short break.
Just a quick break.
Alright, welcome back to the show.
Tonight's show, what P-Thag stands for P-Thag or Ian.
Anyways, tonight we're going to be covering the Pythagorean Theorem and its components. Hope you enjoy the contents of this program. Let's listen.
First of all, we gotta figure out what is the Pythagorean theorem.
The Pythagorean theorem can be easily understood as demonstrated. A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
But what do these letters represent, man?
A squared plus b squared represent the legs of the triangle, when c squared represents the hypotenuse.
Now, Chester, how can we prove this theorem, man?
We can demonstrate that this theorem works by using the proof as shown.
Let's take a gander. To carry out with this example, you'll need a few materials. A white piece of paper, a straight edge, and a writing utensil of some kind. Start from a corner of the paper. Measure 2 inches from the corner, make a dot, and label that segment segment A. Label the remaining segment segment B. Do the same for the rest of the corners. Next, connect the dots that you've made. Now, Chester, how does this drawing help us?
Well, Johnny, the area of the large square equals the area of the 4 triangles plus the area of the small square.
Why, of course. Let's plug this into an equation. Well, why don't we write down this formula so we can help plug things in?
Well, a formula example, the area of the large square equals the area of the 4 triangles plus the area of the small square. Yes.
Well, what is the area of the large square?
Well, let me tell you, Ralph.
Johnny,
it would be the quantity of a plus b squared.
well, let's plug it in. The area of the large square equals a plus b quantity squared. Well, Ralph, what does that equal?
Well, Johnny, we're going to take the area of the 4 different triangles.
So, we need the area of the 4 triangles. Well, according to the diagram, it goes as follows. 4 quantity half AB, half meaning area of a triangle. Now the area of the small square is equal to c squared, so we do as follows. Plus the area of the small square, plus c squared. Let's solve. Now that we have our formula, how can we finish this?
You simplify, Ralph. Johnny, you simplify. S-I-M-P-L.
I'll just simplify it for you. Well, what do you know? In the end, it comes out to the Pythagorean theorem.
Muchos gracias, por favor, Johnny, for that muy interesante reporter. Oh, Come in next week when we discuss the Socrates theorem of Flactoid's equation of mechanics. I'm Chuck Norris.
And I'm Johnny Dickens. Good night.